y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, and a day above and not under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on, we're gonna mukbang. Y'all welcome back to a mukbang slash burping show. Y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos. That's how you can help us out. Now, I know I was gone for a few days. I had some things I had to attend to. So, I've been missing y'all. I hope y'all been missing me because I sure been missing y'all. So, y'all, today I went to Walmart. Had to go get water. So I was looking for Sprite. Sprite got a new flavor out. I tried it the other day. I love it. But they don't have it in there, so I gotta go back to Jules to get that so I can burp off that. I love it. Anyway, we're gonna do some uncommand, and I said I haven't had Mountain Dew in like forever, so we're gonna see what Mountain Dew got in store for us. What y'all chugging on tonight? I want to know. Please comment down below.
I got some sparkling water.
You got some sparkling water?
Yeah.
Whatever you got. Whatever you got. Shoot, the other day I was burping off water. Cara say, "Mama, you burping off water now?" Like, hell yeah, I can make it work. Yeah. Hold on, maybe I'll do something. Yeah, hold on, let's play a game. Let's play a game. Dag. Hold on. And I was on Instagram earlier. I have not been on any social platforms. Oops, shit. First thing that pops up on here is behind. Oh, and oops, somebody in the gym. I didn't see what I was looking for. But anyway, what was that? My brain don't feel right now. I can't even remember the lines to this daggone song. It's a Cardi B song, but I cannot remember the lines to it.
The little chick, you can't mess with me.
Nah.
Is it Wish?
Heck you know. Hello. What's up? She over here doing this. Get him on.
Is this so much burping?
It's stuck. It got stuck right down there. It got stuck really. What did I say?
How was your day?
I ain't saying nothing then. I'm still practicing now. I wasn't practicing this these past few days. I wasn't, so I'm kind of rusty. So y'all, but listen, we gonna get it done. I miss y'all so much. Ow. Come up. Right. Stop playing. I need to stop playing with me. We ain't playing tonight. My lips is dry.
I just feel like you burped all over me. I don't even understand.
Sit down now. It's this one Shoot, I forgot his name. Slim something. But we talk on Instagram.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, we be talking on Instagram. He's like, I love your burps. He love watching the burping videos, and he burps too. I'm like, boy, my burping ain't really up to par yet. Just give it a little time now. Give it a little time now. You feel me? Give it a little time. I'm coming. Did you hear me now? Did you hear me? What'd I say?
ABCD.
Yes! Yes, hold on.
The backdrop. Wow.
What happened to it?
Malfunctioning.
Oh, hell yeah, my wig.
Oh, God.
It done caught a wig.
Oh?
Yeah, I said oh. Emphasis on that word.
What was it?
What the? Guess the next word. What's the next word? Somebody tell me what the next word is.
Can I get a cookie?
Okay. Shaquana came up here with sugar cookies. Now she baking sugar cookies.
No, you don't know.
Oh, you finished it? Shaquan, this is not an ASMR video. Back up. Y'all, I got some challenges I need to get to. Nikki, I have not forgotten, baby. I'm gonna get to it this week. We're gonna do some mukbang. Maybe like a mukbang. I like burpings. I don't have to eat sometimes, especially now that I'm getting a little bit better with the on command, you know. So, y'all, I messed up all this week. Last week. Let's bust this open now. And chug. Chug, chug, chug a little. Chug, chug, chug. Cheers, Shoshana. Cheers to y'all. Who chugging with me? Come on, chug on.
You don't have it for a while.
I haven't had this in a minute. It's been some years.
Yeah.
It's been some years. Hell, I forgot that it was this good. Oh, it's like Mountain Dew. Ooh.
Is this the season premiere?
Hello, hello, hello.
Guess what?
Ooh wee. Ooh.
Guess what?
Ooh wee. What?
Black lightning song.
Black Lightning?
Yeah.
Oh, hell, who else is a Black Lightning fan? Baby. Ooh. It's time to get to watching.
We missed some episodes.
It's okay. That'll mean I can sit down and watch. Y'all, let's just go on ahead and finish this, because if I don't finish it, then it's just gonna sit there till I throw it away. And I don't want to waste it. How much was this? I think this was $1. I'm not sure. I'm gonna turn this camera around on y'all in a minute. They over there clowning. They clowning. They in my room clowning. Okay? Shishama and her brother clowning. Just straight clowning. Y'all, the shenanigans that be going on over here. Well, I don't think I can finish it. Boy, I know you ain't jumping on my bed.
I thought you were going to.
Boy, I know you is not jumping on my bed. Yo, I need to get a nice big burp, man.
You got plenty of those.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, you over there sneak dissing? She can sneak dissing. Ooh. Okay. See you do that one didn't come out all the way. But y'all, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I love y'all. Take care. Have a good night. Day. Night. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Don't stop it yet. I feel it brewing down there. Do not stop it yet. It's finna blow.